late. I had one of my cousins come over and hang out with me for a little while. We had a lot of fun. Good catching up with him. Okay, so we're starting with 𝗕𝗃𝗧𝗬 base, and I'm actually using shade number 4. Now the reason I'm using one that's darker today is because I want just a nice even base, but I want it to match my skin tone. Because we're just going to use one eyeshadow today. It's going to be mind-blowing. See, it's nice and even. You can't really see the veins in my eyes, but it's still the same color as my skin tone. Now, I'm going to dust some translucent powder all over the base because we're not going to be wearing any eyeshadow like that. So we're just going to lightly set it with just some translucent powder, very lightly. Look how pretty this base is. It just looks like my skin, but better, and it's just so light. Louise is where it's at, y'all. It's where it's at. So excited. So I've seen this everywhere. This is the House Laboratories, and this is the liquid eyeshadow. We're using the green. I'm just so excited. Are you guys ready? Okay, we're just going to draw like a big shadow wing. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the applicator, and we're just going to be drawing a huge shadow wing. So this is going to be really good for when you're in a hurry and you want to make a statement. Look at that. You can just draw it right with the applicator. Look how gorgeous. The shade is called Glam Attack. Let's drag it all the way across. And then we'll grab a tinier brush and we'll just kind of correct up here. Okay, update. I didn't even have to grab a brush. What I had to do was just focus a little bit more. I actually did it in the mirror and it was much easier. So there we go. Look how pretty. Stunning. So fall. Let's pop on some mascara. Of course, we're going to do some fake lashes because this look is just going to look so good with some fake lashes. Don't know which ones I want to use yet though. I'm going to use my 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬𝗓 Watermelon Burst Primer. I really do love this primer. I like the way it looks in here too. It's really pretty. So we're just going to work this in and make sure we tap it really nicely underneath our eyes. Smith & Colt sent me their Veiled Threat Weightless Micro Blurring Foundation. I'm going to put 2 pumps on the back of my hand. I don't want to use a whole lot of foundation today. This is in 180 Cool. I've used it before, but the other shades I had were not the right shade for me, so I'm pretty sure these are going to work. But other than that, I've always loved the formula, so let's try this out. So I'm going to grab my sponge. I'm going to start to work this in. It looks pretty good to me. I'm pretty excited, y'all. It might be a touch light, but not too light. I'm talking just a hair. And we'll just use our bronzer if it is. Looks good. Now we're going to try the concealer that goes with it. Why am I so filthy? I bring this on myself. It's called Canceled Concealer. I like that. I'm going to mix 140 Neutral and 150 Cool. 150 Cool looks like the perfect peachy shade. So this is it really fast. Look at that. That's got some peach to it. I'm here for that. So we'll just pop that right there. It seems like it doesn't have a lot of pigment, which I don't mind, but it doesn't feel heavy either, so we'll blend it out and see what happens. But with my Kylie concealer, when I put it on, I can't see through to my skin, and I like that. Real fast, I'm going to throw on my House of Lashes in the style Iconic. These are just Iconic Originals. I just have them trimmed really short in the front. That way they kind of just sit on the outer parts and make your eyes look more flared. All right, let's melt this in. Very lightweight. I'm talking real lightweight. I like that about it. I just wish it had a little bit more pigment. Yeah. So if you like very light coverage, I feel like the concealer is going to look beautiful and it's going to feel like nothing on the skin. So I do like that, but I would want to use it on a more no makeup day. I'm going to grab my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. It's a lot of peach in there. I used this yesterday and I kind of fell in love. It's so smoothing. So we're not going to bake today because we don't have to, but I'm just going to set the rest of the face. I'm going to do powder bronzer today. I'm actually in a little bit of a hurry because I need to get to the grocery store. Look how pretty that is. I'm loving the powder. I'm going to grab some Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Old school. I recently reorganized my makeup, so I've kind of got a couple of the classics closer where I can just grab them, and I'm trying to use different things every day because as much as I love my ride or dies, we've got to continue to try different things. Okay, now we're going to use the Haus Labs liquid eyeliner, and I just drew these on, and I kind of just started right here in the middle, and I just kind of did like a triangle. We'll come back and fill it in a second, and then I kind of just did one over here, and then I did another one right here. But it's so easy to draw with this. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to do a little wing liner tutorial with this. I'm going to add some mascara, my Hank & Henry Beauty Slick With It Mascara Duo, the best thing that's ever invented for your baby lashes down here. I love this. Code ROSE for a discount. Living for these butter bronzers again. This one is called Beachy Peach. Do you hear my mom answering me? It's like she doesn't know I do a tutorial every day. She's so sweet. She's like, yes, baby. Talking to my people, Mom. Look how pretty this is, though. Beachy Peachy. I'm going to grab Haus Labs lip liner in the shade On Point. And you guys, I'm just going to do a nice little rough line. I like that color. And I'm going to grab this gloss, and this is the shade Entrance. I'm so excited for this one. That is so gorgeous. I hit all the high points of my face with this gorgeous highlighter right here from Benefit. It's in the shade Tickle. So we'll pop some on our brow bone. Look how pretty that is. We'll pop some here. Look at that. Then a little on the nose. Pop it right there, and then just kind of work it out. And then I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of pop it right here too. Done, by the way. Do you know how often it is that liquid shadows crease and this one is not creasing? That's crazy. I love it. Alright, I never do setting sprays, but I'm trying out new things. I'm going to use the Too Faced. It's the Hangover, but it's the peach extract one. So I feel like the concealer was a little drying. Don't know if I'm a fan of it because my face just feels a little drier, so that's why I want to spray that. Where's my fan? There she is. Alright guys, all done. I know it was simple, but there's definitely an impact there. And I really wanted to try out the Haus Labs makeup, and I really like it. I'm blown away by this. Like, top notch. I honestly wasn't expecting this, but I'm truly blown away. Make sure you don't forget to enter the giveaway, the ColourPop giveaway on my page. It ends tonight. And I also uploaded a video on YouTube using Morphe after 3 years, so make sure you don't miss that as well. I'm running to the grocery store.